Wait, can you say something? I'm back before we get to it. If you like, I'm subscribed. As you always watch for video.
One of them lonely nights. Lonely night, man.
Nigga got loose, boy. That's why I still want me a charger, boy. That's why I still want me a charger, dog. Cause it's fast and then it's like the body be locked in, dog. Like I love a Mustang, but a Mustang would have slipped out too easily in this slight moment. Mustang would have slipped out.
I thought you want to do that. That look fun. This the car? Or which car? This one?
Yeah, I pulled it up. It's right over there.
Oh, okay, man. I'm ready.
Yes, sir. Let's get you out there.
I wonder how much this shit costs. I would love to do this.
What's your name for me one more time?
Daryl.
Daryl. No, they should have come from London.
It might be cool, Ed, if after I drive out, if you go up there, catch me like an angle. I can't bring this in there, huh? Bring y'all with me. I'm gonna just enjoy this for my birthday, y'all.
Nigga, and boy, back up, nigga.
It's all good, huh? Yeah.
I've seen it take 24 hours. I've seen it take 24 hours. Is there? If you can't get in I'll let them know. Is there a way to be in a car next to them and film them driving? I actually don't know.
But you can go up there though.
Just say that was already said, bro.
I've been here before, nigga. Hey, get some phone footage too. I'm gonna make it into a TikTok.
I ain't gonna lie. This will probably be like, you know how people are. I don't want this is YouTube, bro. Like, you know, people use dice and then make money or race horses and man, y'all get what I'm saying. I don't want to say the words, you know, this YouTube, what is going on YouTube, but this will probably be my form of that because I like fast cars. So this will probably be addicted to me. I'll probably spend a lot of money doing this.
Right here. Yep.
Where's home?
Huh?
Where's home?
LA.
Have you ever been here before?
Vegas? Yeah. Oh, here? Nah. I just got a Ferrari for my birthday though.
Oh, nice. Hell yeah. What one?
F8.
Oh, sick.
F8 Spider.
Chibito, dude.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. That's actually one of my favorite Ferraris. You know that, right?
Really?
Yep. It's super smooth. It's like the love child.
That nigga said, you know that, right? I don't even know you, bro. How am I supposed to know that I don't even know you?
In between the 488 and the so then they made the F8 Tributo. I think it's super smooth.
Yeah. I don't know how to drive manual though. I want to learn.
Okay. I'll teach you today. I'll get you on the same page.
Sure.
So, first things first, let's take that right foot, put it on the brake pedal for me right quick. And then put that left foot on that rust pedal. Sweet. I'm going to help you scoot your seat up forward, but once I get in the passenger seat, okay? This one has the mechanical seat, so I can only grab that handle from the passenger seat.
Okay. Gotcha.
So, let me get over there first. Just try not to rev the car for me, and I'll get you going. Okay?
I got you. Had to let him know, Chad. Had to let him know, man. Hey, man. I ain't knew it was true to me, brother.
Oh, these are manual cars? Yeah, I can't do it, dog.
I got one of these. I ain't gonna pull off, man. I'm going Rari on B-Day.
Say that one more time?
No.
Oh.
No.
Here.
Every time, dog. Every time. Oh, I can't wait to pay this car off, bro. As soon as I pay this car off, probably the day of, I'm going to get me a charger, dog. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting till at least the car is paid off, or at least close to being paid off. So therefore, um, hopefully by then my credit score will be much higher than it is. I said it before. If you've been on this channel, on my vlog channel, King Takes Up TV, I take an L. I had a Mercedes, take an L, did a voluntary repo, did all type of bullshit was going on, but I need that charger ASAP. Hey, man, we all good.
So, yeah, my body team was pretty easy. What I'll do is I'll kind of give you
Oh,
like,
I don't want no
whites or on the steering wheel or
word.
anything else, so that way you can kind of take that information.
Oh, I don't want to see
So, lower your hands down more. See how your thumbs fit inside the screw right here?
Thank you.
So you want to keep your hands there at all times. Just the only reason being is just for performance driving, you always have the paddle shifters on that end.
Yeah.
So now if you have your hands here and the paddle shifters are here, that's kind of the manufacturer, like Ferrari, telling you they only want you to shift while you're going straight. So
Yeah.
that's the only time you want to use the paddle shifters.
Going straight.
Exactly.
Okay.
So
Turn
now
the
when it
camera,
comes to
Ed.
shifting,
I want to see around
I'll tell you when to shift
This
up, I'll tell you
isn't
when to shift down.
a
And you have
fucking
that
360
alarm
live
you have
stream.
this tack right here. Your Tributo should have this as well. So when you start
Yeah.
seeing the lights, I'll tell you when to start shifting. Should I count to
Oh my god,
the
that
steering wheel? Have you hard shift?
person is driving.
It all depends on where we're at.
Hey, what is that, the McLaren?
So you lived in LA your whole life?
No, I'm from Michigan. Originally.
Yeah, that's a McLaren right there.
From your neighbor up in Canada.
Bro? There we go. I'm from Pontiac, Michigan.
Yeah, Michigan can be tough.
I got distracted. My bad.
Alright, my name's Mike. We got Daryl here with me. Go ahead and say your first and last name for the video.
Daryl Granberry.
And we're going to be doing a total of 5 laps here inside the Ferrari 488. All the views are set up for me and you do you. I'll worry about what's behind us. If there's a car behind us, I'll let you know. Put you on one side of the course. So you know when that car is going to pass.
Gotcha.
If you're not braking hard enough, and you just turn.
Brake towards the green because that's where I'm turning at, right?
So that's where you want to place the car, yeah. So it's plenty fancy getting
If I turn the mic, whoever said turn mic off,
Now, as far as shift
Tell me
goes,
why.
Shift up, shift down. I'll tell you. Keep your eyes up. Just
Fuck
look
that.
down. To the left.
Goodbye.
And then you see where that scissors left turn square? So you're gonna make a left turn after that.
That nigga, he enjoy his job, bro. If that's the same person, he enjoy his job because he just driving around. No, I'm not. I don't have, no. I'm not monetized yet.
Run faster! Run faster!
This shit, I for sure want to go here one day. I got the car got to be automatic though. I can't do manual though.
I can't read chat when I'm zoomed in. Record harder. Record harder.
Yeah. Look, yeah, I don't know, like this nigga. Look, this what I'm on. That nigga tell you off.
Record harder. Record
Us,
harder.
whatever car he racing for is over. No, he didn't. No, you didn't. This drift a Charger. I thought that was just some movie shit. I am not gonna hold you. I don't need no thank you for the tips. I already know what I need to do. I just need people that's gonna watch and talk in the chat so therefore I can get affiliated. This nigga drifting a Charger, bruh. Oh, that nigga active. Oh, he's hard. He's hard. This is the this. I look. I've seen Tokyo Drift. We all seen Fast and Furious, but I thought that shit was just a movie, bro. Like, ain't nobody can really do that on the street. This nigga really just did it in a wide body Hellcat. Scat back. That nigga swinging that motherfucker. If this is the car he was racing, bro, that is sad. That's a Lamborghini. Fast car too, that Audi. Yeah, he didn't know what he was doing. He slowed down. He slowed down. The other that Charger slid through all that. That shit was crazy. I do not like this Lambo.
Point the car to the right hand side, let it rip. Full throttle, don't shift yet.
That's the proper way to drive though. Slow on the curve and gun the straights.
This shot is shaky, y'all. I gotta get this iPhone video. Give me a sec.
Grab me a gear down. Let's try shifting down. There you go. And see how awkward that was?
Yeah.
Accelerate. So that's when you want to do your shifting. Go for it. So that way you don't have to like be so on top of the steering.
right, y'all. I just looked it up. It's called Exotic Racing. It's in Vegas. It's starting at $249. Ain't bad. Ain't bad, especially when you're driving this. $249. I paid that to rent the Hellcat for Christmas like a few years ago. I had it for like 3 days. Ain't bad.
We have to
Now point the cart to the right side, Daryl. Alright, man, it's all you. Go for it. Now I want you to point the cart to the right hand side. Let's get it. Go for it.
So I think all these cars, because how they're made and like the body of them, if any of these cars would well, depending on the driver for sure, but hitting these corners, how that Charger did, they probably would have flipped out.
you guys sure that's Kelly in there? Oh, never mind.
Oh, boy, I'm like, boy, he about to hit that corner kind of fast now. That
I
thing
didn't
down.
know about it.
I'm still trying to figure out if it's. But it's really all if I want to go fast.
Exactly.
How do I know when to shift down?
This is smart though for him to go do this on their car instead of his own car. For Brian to do that shit by yourself and crash.
When it comes to shifting down, that's when you're supposed to put your hands just for the reason being it depends on what's in the other corner. So if you
Alright, hold on.
towards the top and you want to lock it into a different gear, Ferrari has a special feature. When you want to shift down, hold the shift down on the steering wheel and it'll choose the optimum gear for that corner.
Okay.
So if you're on the brake and you're just holding the paddle shifter, it'll shift you down to like second or third gear.
Oh, it is shifted for me.
Yeah, exactly.
So I ain't got to like tap it twice.
No, you don't gotta tap it
Just
twice,
hold
you
it.
can hold it.
That's if I'm slowing down from being at a
When
high
you're braking, shifting down.
gear. Gotcha.
Exactly.
All right. Hopefully I don't crash my F8.
Let me get you on this. If you need any more, you want info, you want help out there on track, you want to start getting more deep into it, just ask for Baby Jesus. That's me.
All right, man. All right, bro. Appreciate it.
Pleasure, buddy. I'll see you outside.
Sure.
I think that one of the babies. I think it's yeah. I think it was Baby G. I think that was the baby's first rap name. Baby switched it.
That was fun. How was I driving, yeah? You see me out there with me? I'm finna do that shit at the crib. It's just fun.
Came out smiling. Big ass.
I'm finna be speeding when I get to the crib.
What, when you get to the crib?
Hell yeah. What car you drive? Oh, you a Joe?
Ready? It's Calvin, right?
Already go.
Calvin?
Calvetti. I thought it was Kelly. That was hella. Look at Ferrari. Look at Ferrari up there with that. That was nice. That was fun. I love these motherfuckers though, man. These bitches so damn sexy. I'm cool with love cars, though. I don't need nothing else.
All right, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, support your friend.